So, good day, class. We're going to be tackling this second challenging question. So, a black and white digital camera lays a fine grid over an image, then measures and records a binary number representing the level of gray it sees in each cell of the grid. For example, if a 4-bit number is used, the value of black is set to 0000. You can see there are 4 values in one binary set. And the value of white is 1111. So these extreme values are used to present black and white. And any level of gray is somewhere in between. So in between 000 and 1111, we'll have 0001. We'll have this. We'll have going up to the max number, which is this. So all this represents the level of gray in between. So now, if a 6-bit number uses the same technique applies. The lowest is for black, the highest value is for white, and all the grays are in between. Now it says, suppose you want to distinguish among 254 different levels of gray. This is excluding the black and white. Within each cell of the grid, how many bits would we need to use? So it's essentially saying, if now we use a 4-bit system, the values in between, will it be able to represent 254 different levels of gray? That's different gray shades, essentially. So are we going to have enough values to represent 254 gray shades? Now, to solve for that, 2 raised by n is equals to, I'll get back to this question mark. So they say 254 levels of gray, right? This is excluding the extreme ends of black and white. So if you have to add the black and white, it will be +1, this for black, +1, this for white. So 256 total um um different levels. So you want to find a bit system that can represent up to 256 different values, and excluding black and white, it can represent 254 different gray colors. So that's why we come back to this question mark. So now we know how much we want to get here. Now, if you put your calculator, you find out that 3 raised by 8 is equal to 256. Where in this case, 8 is the bit system that you're going to use. So we just need an 8-bit number system to be able to, an 8-bit system to be able to represent 256 different levels. That's black, white, and different shades of gray. And if you remove the black and white, which is -1, you're going to have just 254 different levels of gray. So our final answer is our 8-bit system is capable of representing 254 different levels of gray. That is our final answer. I hope you understood. Bye.